What is up, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of A Doodadad and another snow season. And as that season approaches, we got to get all of our gear ready so when we get up there we can focus on riding, have fun with our friends, being out in nature, not repairing broken gear. So the next few videos I got for you are exactly that. We're going to get our snowboards ready so when we get up there, we can focus on riding. But let's not waste any more time. Let's get to our first one, stomp pads. Yeah, we're sticking a stomp pad on a fresh unit this morning. You might think, dude, the stomp pad's a sticker. Peel it back, stick it on the board and rip it, right? Yes, in most cases you're 100% correct. But we're here to help the new snowboarders and the people that are setting their boards up for the very first time. We want to make sure that you get it done the best way possible. In order to make sure that you get this thing installed the right way, we got 3 tips for you. Placement, cleanliness, temperature. First, placement. We got a brand new Skunk 8 camber from LibTech, which you guys will see this year. And let's flip it. Okay, let's decide on a stomp pad. This one, we're going with the claws. Okay, we've chosen our stomp pad. We've chose how we want it laid out on our board. Next step, grab your rear binding and set it over the mounting holes. What we have to watch for here is your binding going to change as you progress or as you change styles? It probably will. So make sure you leave room on your stomp pad to slide this binding forward, slide this binding backwards. And also the new thing that we're getting into that we're finding is a problem is as you want to get more angle in your rear, like to kind of do like a posy for carving or something like that, as it turns, it ends up running in to the stomp pad. Show you guys an example here on a board from last year, old Skunk 8, and I wanted to try to ride it in this posy, and I ended up having to cut stomp pad out for this thing to fit because, you know, back in the day I used to ride really far back here, and I want to move this up forward, and when you peel it off, you see how ugly it leaves? So we want to try to make sure that we end up getting that stomp pad in the right spot to start so we don't have to cut later. Yeah, I think I like that. Now that we've determined our placement, we need to prep the surface. 2 things you could do, good old-fashioned Windex and a paper towel, or those alcohol prep pads if you have any of those left from your screen protectors. Board's brand new, it should be clean, but wait for that to dry. Surface is prepped and clean. Let's stick these dudes. Alright, that's it. We're stuck. Told you I had 3 tips for you. We only did 2. Placement for your binding moving in the future and cleaning the surface. The third one, and probably the most important, is that the board and the stomp pad have to be the same temperature. If you've got your board up on the mountain or at the resort in the parking lot and it's in the trunk all night, you go, oh, I forgot my stomp pad, and you walk into the resort snowboard shop and buy one and stick it on in the parking lot, I almost guarantee you it's going to fall off. That snowboard and that stomp pad have to be the same temperature. So if you have them in the same room where they're climatized is obviously where it's going to work the best. So get this stuff done early so when you get out there you can just have a good time and just ride. Thank you guys for tuning into this episode of A Doodadad. Please subscribe so you can see the next ones. We got 2 more of these coming for you. We're going to get you guys set up for a good year. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.